I have been working on diversifying my portfolio recently, so I've sold some of my positions and added new ones to my portfolio. So in this video, let me share with you what new stocks I've bought for the month of August. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos, and currently I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds, or just want to show your support, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the main thing. So I'm going to do this a little bit differently. Instead of me using my phone, I will be using Weeble's web version. There's nothing in particular here that I would point out as to why I'm actually using the web version. I just want you to see the web version because it actually exists. Also, since I bought these stocks throughout different dates in August, I'm just going to lay out each transaction in a specific stock so that it's a lot easier to understand because they're grouped together. But anyway, let's go ahead. As you can see, the first one right here at the very bottom is land. This actually is not included because land is a sell order. And I'm going to explain in my dividend income update video as to why I sold land. But anyway, let's move on. The very first stock that I bought for the month of August is Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. If you don't know what MAIN is, it's basically a business development company or BDC. They engage in providing long-term debt and equity capital to lower middle market companies and debt capital to middle market companies. They loan out money to businesses in order to help with their operations, and then MAIN makes money from these loans through the interest. Then when they make money, a portion of those profits are actually shared to shareholders like me through the form of distributions. But anyway, as you can see right here, there were 3 transactions for MAIN in August, 1, 2, and then 3. Now the first purchase happened right here on August 3rd, and I purchased 0.35 share just to simply complete my fractional share back then. I purchased the share at a price of $41.15, and at that time it brought my main holding to a complete 1 share. Now anyway, the second purchase happened on August 10 right over here, and I purchased 1 share at $41.95 through a limit order. So I remember doing this purchase with a limit order because I wanted to get the lowest possible price for MAIN. The lowest it went for that day was around $41.95, and the highest was around $42.58. So if you look at the price that I got in, it was a pretty good price. The third purchase happened on August 20, and I purchased 2 shares of MAIN at $41.90. As you can see, I missed out on this day getting MAIN at a cheaper price because it went down below to $41. I could have gotten it at $40.80, but I didn't put a limit order at that price point, so I didn't get it. But with these 3 purchases though, I now own 4 shares of MAIN at an average cost of $41.77, and MAIN now holds a position ratio of 2.29% in my portfolio. So let's move on to the second stock for August. The second stock I bought for August is Enterprise Partners Products LP, or EPD. EPD is a company that engages in the distribution and storage of energy. They provide midstream energy services to producers and consumers of natural gas liquids or NGLs, crude oil, petrochemicals, and refined products. So for EPD, I made 2 transactions in the month of August, and as you can see right here, the first one, I bought 7 shares on August 3, and they were priced at $22.39. That's pretty amazing, because this stock was actually quite choppy back then. It was pretty crazy. Even right now, it's still declining, and it's pretty crazy. But you know what? I wanted to buy more of EPD since it was cheaper, and I really wanted to cash in on that 8% dividend yield. Now the second purchase happened here. As you can see, on August 13, I only purchased 1 extra share of EPD at $22.71. Now for this instance though, I wasn't able to purchase more because I ran out of funds, so there you go. With these 2 purchases, now I own 11 shares of EPD at an average cost of $22.82. And EPD now holds a position ratio of 3.34% in my portfolio. And let's move on to the third one that I got for August. So the third stock that I got for August is New York Community Bank, or ticker symbol NYCB. So this is a new addition to my portfolio. I just stumbled upon it while doing some research regarding dividend stocks in the financial sector. NYCB provides banking products and services in Metro New York, New Jersey, Ohio, Florida, and Arizona. They offer a wide variety of typical banking products, such as deposit products, including interest-bearing checking and money market, savings, non-interest bearing and individual retirement accounts, and they also have loan products such as multifamily loans and commercial real estate loans. So I only have 2 transactions for NYCB in the month of August. As you can see right here, NYCB, I bought 5 shares on August 3 for the price of $11.87. So I did this one through limit order as well, since I was hoping that I could get it lower than $11.90, to which it actually did. It actually went there. I got it cheaper though than its day high of $12.15, so that's a good deal for me. Now the second purchase, as you can see right here, is on August 20. I bought only 2 shares of NYCB at a price of $12.21. So this is the same situation as my main purchase. As you can see right here, I didn't do a limit order. I bought it with the market price. If I had done a limit order for this day, I would have gotten 2 shares at only $12. But you know what? It is what it is. So with those 2 purchases, I now own 7 shares of NYCB at an average cost of $11.97, and it holds a position ratio of 1.18% in my portfolio. And then let's move on to my 4th stock for the month of August. The 4th stock that I bought for August is AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. And there you go. With this purchase, I am now effectively part of the AbbVie gang. But anyway, as you can see, this is another new addition to my portfolio, and it should really have a place in it. This is actually the very first stock in my portfolio that is in the healthcare sector. Now, if you don't know, guys, AbbVie discovers, develops, manufactures, and sells pharmaceuticals around the world, and their most popular product is Humira, a therapy administered as an injection for autoimmune and intestinal diseases. AbbVie has been a very popular stock among dividend investors, and it's for very good reasons too. At the time of this recording, AbbVie had a dividend yield of 4.43% and an annual payout of $5.20. They have a payout ratio of 41%, which is within the ideal range of 30 to 60%. They also have a 5-year growth rate of 18%, which is really amazing and very attractive. Plus, they have a dividend growth rate of 8 years. They've been consistently growing it for quite some time now. But anyway, I only have 1 transaction for AbbVie in the month of August. And as you can see here, I bought 2 shares of AbbVie on August 10th at a price of $114.25 through a limit order. I think it's a great idea to always put your orders using a limit order because you can control the price that you get in. So that's how I've been doing it lately, just so that I can take advantage of any moment in which the stock drops in prices. But unfortunately, I didn't follow that one with my NYCB purchase. But the lesson still stands. So with AbbVie, I'm just really happy that I got it now in my portfolio because my target of diversifying my portfolio is now coming to shape. So those are the stocks that I bought for the month of August. Now, moving forward, no new purchases will be made from this point on because I've already used up all my funds, especially the ones that I got from my recent deposit. And any new dividends that I receive from this point will be reserved for the next month instead. I'm thinking of simply adding more to my positions right now instead of adding new positions to my portfolio. But you know what? Times change and I will adapt to what my portfolio needs when that time comes. And that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. I really appreciate you getting to the very end. And let me know in the comments below what new stocks or what stocks did you buy for the month of August. Let's share some stock picks right here so that we can learn from each other and pretty much grow our portfolio. And by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share this video so that we can help this channel grow. And I'm on Instagram at DailyDread. Please add me there so that we can chat, collaborate, and exchange some ideas. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.